Hi friends, it's time for Playtime with Littles. Today, in our box of pom-poms, we're going to try to find letters. I already found one. It's the letter A. A. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, I felt something. There's the letter B. C. There's the letter C. Oop, I feel something right here. That's the letter D. Which letter's next? E. Oop, I found two letters. E and F. I found G. Does H come next? It does. H. What letter's next? I is next. I found an I. And J. Next is K. Let's see if we can find the K. Oh, I feel something. There's the letter K. What else? L. Next is M, and I think I felt it right here. There's the M. And what about the, oh, I found something. What about the N? Is it gonna be N? It is the N. Next is the letter O. Found it. Pop. O. Where's the letter B? There it is. Next is Q. Can we find Q? There's a Q. Pop. And R. Next is S. S. What about T? Where'd it go? We found it. Next is U. There's the U. What about V? V. Which letter's next? Is it W? There it is. W. Where's the X? I found it. X. Where's the Y? There's the Y. Almost done. Where's the Z? We found all of our letters from A to Z. Bye, friends.